exponents and powers. Now today we will read about the use of the exponents to express large and small numbers. Now we have read that smallest two-digit number is 10, and so this 10 can be increased to a greater number by the multiplication of another 10. When we multiply to it, we get 100, which is a greater number than 10. If we multiply further by 10, we will get 1000. And we see that by the multiplication of 10, we are getting large numbers. These large numbers, they may have number of zeros. Like for example, this number. Just counting the number of zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros are there. 7 zeros, to write them takes time also, and if by mistake the counting is, we have done some mistake in counting, then the number becomes different. So what we see that we need to express the number in a shorter way. हमको एक छोटे फॉर्म में ये नंबर लिखना है. For greater numbers like the distance between sun and earth and between the two nations, we can express the numbers. Height of the Everest mountains, they can be expressed in terms of the power of 10, or the greater number they can be expressed using the exponents. Now suppose by mistake if you have skip off one of the zero, then the number is totally different. Suppose you are going to the bank and you have to withdraw or you have to deposit some amount, and let us take example that you have to deposit 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees you have to deposit, and if you have written only 4 zeros, then it becomes 10,000, which is very much less amount. So we need to express the right number using a short form, and for this the exponents, they are used. In the question paper, suppose a large number is given and you are counting the number of zeros. For example, let us suppose that this number is there and we have counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 zeros are there. Now while counting, जब आप count कर रहे हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 तक पहुँचे, and suddenly another teacher comes for the correction of the paper. पेपर करेक्शन के लिए कोई टीचर आ गए. Now you are got disturbed. आप डिस्टर्ब हो गए, आपकी काउंटिंग आप भूल गए, एंड अगेन व्हेन यू रिमेंबर कि आपने 4 गिना था कि 5 गिना था, you thought that you have counted 5 and you started counting the next zeros. So you will write a less number. या सपोज किसी का कंपास बॉक्स गिर गया, या आपसे पीछे वाला स्टूडेंट आपसे कोई आंसर पूछने लग गया, then you got disturbed and while counting you made a mistake. या आपने काउंट किया इसमें and you are writing in your copy, then you made a mistake. So to avoid all these things, to express the large numbers, we need to express in the exponential form, and we express in the exponential form as 10 is written as 1, 10 to the power 1. 100 is written as 10 to the power 2. 1000 is written as 10 to the power 3. That is, as many zero, as much is the power. So in this number, the number can be written as 10 to the power 10. So we are writing in this way, and we can express the number in terms of the exponential power. Not only the large numbers, but the small numbers, they can also be expressed in the exponential form. Small numbers means, suppose you have to measure, when you are measuring You can just see in the scale that small lines are drawn. We also know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That is, within 1 centimeter there are 10 lines are there, and each line is of 1 mm. So as we go smaller and smaller, we are getting smaller numbers. Diameter of a cell or diameter of your hair or the microorganisms their measurement, they are expressed in small units, and these small units, they are also expressed in terms of the exponential. Now just see that 1 upon 10. This 1 upon 10 is written as 10 to the power minus 1. 1 upon 100, this is expressed as 10 to the power minus 2. 1 upon 1000 is expressed as 10 to the power minus 3. So as in the denominator this multiple of 10 increases, so is the negative power increases. 10 to the power minus 3, next will be 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power minus 5, like this. So instead of writing this type, we can write in the exponential form. So we can just express the numbers in the short form using the positive and the negative numbers. Positive numbers for positive powers for the large numbers and negative power for the small numbers. Expressing the numbers, large numbers, in the smaller form. For example, the diameter of Earth and Sun, it can be expressed, not the diameter, distance between Earth and Sun, it can be expressed in terms of 1.4 into 10 to the power 11. And similarly for the small numbers, for example the size of blood cells, they can be expressed in the smaller units like 7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters. So that is how we can express the large numbers and the small numbers. Now in my next video I will be telling you some of the examples to explain this more clearly.